In 2024, this company fired its developers and replaced them with AI. In 2026, they're quietly begging them back and hiding it from their investors. This is the most expensive mistake in tech history. They spent $40 billion to learn one thing. MIT studied it. 95% of enterprise AI projects made exactly $0 back. AI didn't replace developers. It replaced the fantasy that code writes itself. Rewind. In 2023, the prophecy was everywhere. AI would replace 80% of developers by 2025. So companies acted on it. 2024 ended with 152,000 tech layoffs. The plan? Swap expensive humans for cheap AI licenses. And for about a year, it actually looked like it was working. Then the bill arrived. AI doesn't architect, it copy-pastes. Code cloning surged 4 times over. Engineers gave the result a name: the slop layer. Code that works, nobody understands, and nobody can fix when it breaks. One audit of 10 billion lines of code found it would take 61 billion workdays to pay off the world's technical debt. 45% of AI-written code shipped with known security holes. They didn't save money. They took out a high-interest loan against their own code base. And the engineers they kept? Studies found seniors were 19% slower with AI because they'd become babysitters, spending 11 hours a week fixing the robot's confident mistakes. AI pull requests carried almost double the bugs of human ones. They weren't speeding up. They were stockpiling future work. 2 stories say it all. Builder.ai, a $1.5 billion AI startup, turned out to be 700 humans in a back room pretending to be a machine. They promised a robot and sold a sweatshop. And Google's coding agent? Asked to clear a cache, it wiped an entire 2 terabyte production drive in seconds. Its apology, and I quote, "I made a catastrophic error in judgment." So the pendulum is swinging back. Klarna bragged it replaced 700 workers with AI, then admitted it went too far and started hiring humans again. Forrester says half of all AI layoffs will reverse the exact same way. Turns out the one thing AI can't do is the whole job: be accountable when it breaks. But here's the part nobody says. This is not a victory lap. Entry-level hiring still fell 50%. And bosses now use "the AI does half your job" as a bluff to underpay you. It's a bluff, but it's working. So, will AI replace programmers? No. It replaced the delusion that programming was ever easy. The companies winning today stopped prompting their way to success and went back to hiring people who actually understand the machine. If you want the no-hype version of this career stuff, subscribe. Next, if the juniors are the ones getting cut, is it even worth learning to code in 2026? The honest answer: that one's next.